Hello everybody. Today I would like to share a few points in the present day scenario with relevance to rabies. We know that a young girl, a 19-year-old girl, she died previously out of rabies, having been bitten by a pet dog. Even the owner of the dog also passed away. So in this case, once you have an animal bite or a dog bite or a cat bite, what should you do? How can you prevent rabies? Rabies is very preventable. First thing is that area, if it is your hand or if it is your leg or if it is your face, make sure you wash it in running water. The water should keep flowing into the wound and out of the wound. Wash it in running water and apply carbolic soap. Carbolic soap is not our Lux soap or Dove soap or any of the present day bathing soaps. It involves the washing soap like Sunlight or Henko or one of those soaps. Make sure you wash it in, use those types of soap to wash the area. So running water, carbolic soap, again wash it in running water, carbolic soap. Repeat the process at least 10 times. That will make sure that at least 80% of the virus is moved out. Then pour Dettol or povidone. These are two agents which are highly they kill the rabies virus, or they have a high strong action on the rabies virus. So once that is poured, then you have to go to your nearest hospital. So after the first aid, make sure you visit your nearest hospital in order to get the anti-rabies treatment. That may include injections at the site, it may include hypoimmune serum, but the most important thing that I would like to highlight for anyone who has got a dog bite, make sure you wash it in running water and carbolic soap and pour the iodine as well as or Dettol. Now, as a pet owner, what should you do? We all as pet owners should be very responsible. In this particular case, somewhere there has been a failure of the rabies vaccination, or we call it a vaccination failure. So what should we do? Make sure our dogs are dewormed and vaccinated as per a veterinarian's advice, and every vaccine should be taken by a veterinarian. You should have your record, you should have the seal and the signature of your veterinarian, because he is responsible for the vaccine and to make sure that the vaccination doesn't fail. Make sure you do not take your vaccines from other laymen who just come home, give the injection and go. Rabies vaccination or any other vaccination for that matter is a serious thing. It's not just a matter of being an injection being given. There are a lot of things behind that. For example, maintenance of cold chain, proper administration of the medicine, making sure that the animal is healthy before the vaccination is done. So these are all points that a veterinarian will take care of. So as a responsible pet owner, make sure your animals are vaccinated and there's no chance of rabies being spread from your animal to a human being or to another animal. Now the next thing is, what do you do in case your vaccinated animal is bitten by an unknown dog? When we say unknown dog, we do not know its history. It might be a stray dog. It might be a street dog. So in that case, what should you do? In that case, the same thing that I have previously said, wash that area in running water and carbolic soap at least 10 times. And then you can pour povidone iodine, that is betadine solution, into the wound and then meet your veterinarian for the anti-rabies treatment. I would like to add a few more words on the present day scenario of a little girl dying of rabies. I know we all are scared of the street dogs we see around us, but I would like to share a few things about them. They are not inherently dangerous. It depends on how we handle them. So if the street dogs are there in your vicinity or your area, make sure you do not aggravate the situation by harming them or by trying to throw sticks and stones at them. If you try to do that, because they are basically wild animals, or you can't call them wild, but because they are not domesticated or they are not tame, they may tend to protect themselves and react by trying to bite us or become aggressive. So the first point is, do not aggravate these animals. The second thing is, in your neighborhood, if you see stray animals, and if you intend to feed them, make sure you feed them and you take them into your house and rear them up as pets. In which case you may have to do all the things that a normal responsible pet owner would have to do, and that would include vaccinating them, sterilizing them, worming them, bathing them, and feeding them appropriately. But if we cannot do that, then the second thing we can do is, if we are feeding this community dogs, we should make sure we go to our local panchayats or the local bodies and make sure that these animals are sterilized and vaccinated as per the ABC rules. So if we do it as a community, then definitely we will be able to prevent rabies. So I would like to encourage all our people, all our friends, all our people who are scared also of rabies and dogs. Please do not be scared of them, because they are also animals, or they are also life like us. So give them a chance to live and give them a chance to be useful for our society. We should also remember that these street dogs are many a times, they are useful in controlling rodents like rats, snakes, reptile snakes, lizards, all these things which can also create harm to our society. So let's be good to them. Thank you.